Tickle Monster's coming! Tickle Monster!
She's trying to steal other kids' toys.
She's trying to steal other kids' toys?
Yeah.
Good girl. That's my Dorchester girl. That's the Boston in her. Take him. Good girl. Hello everybody, it's Ned over at My Philippine Dreams. Not too long ago I did a video in which I said this. Fourth biggest regret was not wearing enough protection against sun exposure. If you look back at my videos when I came here about 8 years ago, I had smooth, flawless skin. I had no wrinkles. I was basically, it was veritable porcelain. I looked like I was 20 years old. Now, after 8 years of sun exposure, I got wrinkles, I'm all mottled, my shit's falling down, I got turkey waddles. Plus, I have something on my nose that I gotta get checked out. A friend of mine had something on his nose from sun exposure, and he just found out he had cancer, and he is undergoing treatments for that right now. So I need to go to a dermatologist and get that checked out. So if you come to the Philippines, make sure you're wearing your sunscreen, make sure you got your long sleeves, gloves, hats, everything. Now, I've always been one to appreciate the finer nuances of irony, because about 2 weeks ago, I was diagnosed with cancer. I originally came in because I had concerns about this little like it's like a little scab on my nose, and a friend of mine had experienced the same thing, and it was like squamous cell carcinoma or something, so he had to get all kinds of treatment done. I noticed the same thing on my nose, so I went to True Dermatology, and come to find out the stuff that's on my nose is precancerous. They're not too worried about that. They can get rid of that with liquid nitrogen, not a problem. And I also got old man head on the top of my head. You know how old guys, they get all the spots. And there's some precancerous stuff up there. They can do that with liquid nitrogen. But there's a spot on my shoulder that they're concerned about. She's absolutely sure it's not melanoma, and that it's basal or that squamous or whatever. But I'm not taking any chances. The bottom line is I am going back to the United States in a few weeks to get this all addressed. I also got some issues with my neck. I haven't been back to the US in 2 years, so it'll be nice to see my family again. So that's the reality of the situation. The dermatologist, well, not the dermatologist, the actual doctor, she said that a lot of white people in the Philippines get this type of stuff. So if there's anything you can learn from this video and from my previous videos, is make sure you're using adequate sun protection. When you're driving around, make sure you got long sleeves on, make sure you got face protection, make sure you're using sunscreen, all that stuff. Don't be like me, driving around for like 4 or 5 years without a helmet on, without any type of head protection, without wearing long sleeves, wearing a tank top, like a total complete moron, and now be forced to possibly have to face some consequences to that. So that's about that with that situation. We're gonna leave you with some other footage from here at Valencia Park with the Christmas tree behind us. I won't be home from Christmas because my flight's booked back here before then. So until next time, puppies, rainbows, and unicorns for all. Listen over My Philippine Dreams. I gotta go find my wife, my child, and my yaya, and we gotta pick up some really good pork belly. See you next time on My Philippine Dreams.
Good morning, good morning.
Yay. I think we should take our shoes off.
Sometimes she should used to it. There's a rock.
Oh, the rock? She'll get used to it? Okay.
Oh, don't hold mommy, just walk.
And there's the Christmas tree that was put up. That they had the lighting ceremony for last night. Get everybody together who hasn't had their COVID vaccines yet. And I was filming this earlier, but I was filming against the sun, so I think it was dark. But Philippines Christmas time is strange. There's no snow, there's no reindeers, there's no sleigh bells, there's no Santas. Real field temperatures hovering, you know, between 105, 107 degrees. And then it hits you the most when you're walking around, running, you know, doing errands or whatever. Doing errands. Whoa, she's going down.
She's just running.
Look at, honey, she's half as tall as you are already. And you're hearing the, you know, Christmas carols and everything, and I'm just used to seeing snow outside.
How Why is it she's blank?
I don't know. That's a lot of tanduay she had. Whoa, starlings! Bye, starlings. Don't shit on my car.
You stand and go to mommy. Go to mommy.
Zoe,
Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
just keep an eye on her. I'm filming, okay?
Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
Zoes! Hey, good job. First thing she does, she grabs the camera. You go to mommy?
You
Good job.
look at the camera. Smile! Zoe, smile!
Zoe, smile.
Smile. Beautiful eyes! Beautiful eyes!
Beautiful eyes.
No. She did. Say hi! Hello!
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby!
Baby baboy.
Baby baboy. Hi! Video! Say hi!
Video.
Hi.
You're a YouTube star. Unsanaz, what is that?
Yeah. Wanna play? Zoe? You wanna play with them? No? I'm walking away! Where are you going?
Going in circles. It's the most social interaction she's had.
She's a little confused.
At least nobody's pinching her this time.
Zoe!
Yay!
You okay? Are you okay? Yeah, I'll say goodbye to them now. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Flying kiss.
Bye.
Flying kiss. Wow. What do you think, Zoe?
Daddy, the store is spinning.
Christmas in the
Nice.
Philippines.
Spinning. This is your second Christmas.
Second Christmas. Spin, spin, spin.
Next year, I'm gonna make Christmas tree in the house.
Now, after 8 years of sun exposure, I got wrinkles, I'm all mottled, my ship's falling down, I got turkey waddles. So that was a regret. If you see in the video right now, I'm wearing long sleeves and I have sun protection. I have sunglasses over there, even though the sun's not out, and it actually looks like it's gonna rain any minute. But when you see Filipinos riding their scooters long distances, or even just going down to the corner store, they got long sleeves on, they got hats, they're completely covered up, they got t-shirts that they convert into those baklavas or whatever, so all you see is their eyes. So as with many things in the Philippines, do what the Filipinos are doing. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.